If you're looking for a quick mid-taper self-haircut tutorial, this is your video. I'll do a step-by-step on the fade, then I'll also include the lineup and the beard cleanup with the straight edge razor at the end. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know I tried a ton of different fades, tapers, different beard looks. But the reason why I really love a mid-taper is because it's high enough, the fade is high enough, where it will last you a couple more days than a low taper, but it's low enough where you can still see the C cup. So the C cup is that C part of the hairline that curves towards your ears. You could still see that with a mid taper. With a high taper, the C cup is completely gone. That's why I love a mid taper. All right, let's get into the cut. First thing I always do is trim the hair down. I use a number 1 open, typically open, with the grain. With the grain means from the crown of your head to your hairline. All right, so for your mid-taper, you're going to want to start the guideline, your first guideline, a little higher. So I usually use the corner of my eyebrow or closer to the top of my ear as my reference. All right, so for your second guideline, you're going to use a no guard, completely open, and you're going to go up about a ½ inch using that first guideline as your reference. Now go back with the no guard completely closed and get that first guideline now. Don't be afraid to use the corner of your clipper. You're working with less real estate here, so you have to be careful. Then you want to use a 1.5 closed, and you're just debulking that area. You're trying to create a nice transition from the top part of your hair into the fade. For the last guideline, you're going to take a number 1. You're going to start with it completely open to be safe, and then gradually close it. Take your time. Use your discretion. And to finish off that line, you're going to take a half guard. You're going to start with it half open and then gradually close it. And that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. My name is Dane. I make self-haircutting and grooming content here on YouTube. I'm not a barber, just someone who genuinely loves the craft. If you got value from this video, do me a favor. Please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And until next time, take care.